Good morning, my student. How are you? Today I will explain approximation nearest 10,000 and nearest 100,000. At first, the same steps. I should write the digits of any numbers. The first question, approximate each of the following nearest 10,000. I should mention the unit. This is unit. This is tens. This is hundreds. This is thousands. Here I haven't 10,000 in this number. What I can do, I should write 0 and consider it as 10,000. After that, I should look at the previous unit of the 10,000. The previous unit of 10,000 is 1,000. 1,000 here, weak or strong? We had say after that we have a weak numbers. Weak numbers is 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And strong numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 5 is strong, so that the 10,000 will be increased by 1 because 5 is strong. So that I will replacement all digit previous 10,000 by zeros. I will write 0, replacement unit, replacement tens, replacement 100, replacement 1,000, and 10,000 will increase by 1. 0 plus 1 equal 0. The next example, I should mention the tens digit. Here 10,000 digits, sorry. Here 78,000. This is unit. Tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,000 here is 7. Previous digit is 8. 8 is strong, so that our replacement unit by 0. Tens by 0. Hundreds by 0. Thousand by 0. And 10,000 will be increased by 1, become 8. So that 78,000, when I approximate it by 10,000, will be 80,000. The next example, unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 10,000 here is 5, and the previous is 6. 6 is strong. The first step, I replacement all unit before the 10,000 digit by 0. Unit 0. Tens by 0. Hundreds by 0. Thousand by 0. And 10,000 will increase 1, become 6. And write the digit after 10,000 as it. 460,000. The next one, we remove decimal parts, because now I want to approximate nearest 10,000. I remove the decimal parts. After that, I should mention the 10,000 digit. This unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,000 here is 4. What I can do, I look the previous digit. Previous digit is 5. 5 is strong, so that I replacement all digit. Replacement 4 by 0. And 7 by 0, and 2 by 0, and 5 by 0. Yes, 5 by 0, because this is 1,000, not 10,000. 10,000 will increase by 1 because the previous is strong, so that become 5. I will solve this example, and you will complete to solve this example, I will send you sheet contain all of these examples. You solve these examples depend on yourself. I solve this example only. If I have 99,999 and 4 tenths, what I can do? The first step, I will remove decimal parts. After that, I should mention the 10,000 digit. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Mine here is 10,000. What's the step I can do? The first step, I replacement all digits before 10,000 by 0. I will put 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. Replacement 9 by 0. Replacement is 9 by 0. Replacement the third 9 by 0. Replacement the fourth 9 by 0. 9, I will increase it by 1 because 9 is strong, become 10. Excellent. This approximation nearest 10,000. What about approximation nearest 100,000? The same steps. I should mention the 100,000 digit. 100,000 digit here. I haven't come to see how can I solve this example. This is unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. I haven't 100,000, so that I should write 0 and consider it. This is 100,000. After that, I look at the previous digit. The previous digit is strong. What I can do? I replacement all digit before 100,000 by zeros. I write 3 zeros as it. After that, I replacement the 0 by 0 and 5 become 0. After that, 0 increased by 1 become 1. 50,000, when I approximate it nearest 100,000 become 100,000. The next example, I should mention the 100,000. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000 here is 8. The previous is 7. 7 is strong, so that I replacement all previous digit by 0. How many numbers? How many digits here? 5. I will write 5 zeros. 4, 5. After that, I will increase 8, or I write it 8 as it. 7 is strong, so that 8 become 9 because it increased by 1. Here 100,000 is 4, the previous is 5. The next step, I replacement all of this previous digit by zeros. How many digits? 5. I will replacement by 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. I will increase 4 or write as it. No, I will replacement 4 by 5 because it will be increased by 1. The last one, here I have decimal part, I will cancel it. After that, 100,000 here is 6. The previous is 4. 4 is weak, mister. What I can do? I replacement the 5 digit by zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. After that, I write 6 or increase by 1 7. No, mister, because 4 is weak. I will write 6 again. Excellent. You should solve these examples and send me at class dojo. Thank you.